Oh, that's so f***ing cool. And that's how we completely destroy a power board on a Leader 120. Nice.
And welcome to the Quadcopter Review. I'm your host, Pepe Prawns, and today is September 30th, and this is the day I promised to do our hydro-dipped giveaway of these 65mm frames or 75mm frame. Remember, you get to choose which one you want and which type of pattern you want if you win. As we always do, to make this quick and easy, we're going to grab the URL, we're going to put it in our random comment picker, we're going to tell it to search. We see 63 comments, kind of low. Thought there was a bit more. But, yep, 63 comments it looks like. So, we're going to be doing some cross-referencing here, so bear with me, guys. So, let's do the first one for the dipped splatter one that's going to get some lipos with it. And, of course, this is going to have to match up to the person on the other side that said they wanted the painted one. So, this person, actually, nice person, if his name gets picked, please repick. So, thank you, Tajiga, I think it is. So, thank you for that, and I'm sure the other guys will be happy that you let them get a shot. So, once again, we're doing the splatter version, and we get Paul Hargrove. So, because you didn't say, I want the painted one or anything else, we're going to consider you a pick it myself. So, I'm going to write this down real quick. What am I doing? I'm recording it, you dumbass. So, I'll know it's Paul Hargrove because I said it here in the video. So, we're going to quickly just open his thing up here. And as the rules always go, you're supposed to be subscribed to me. Quickest way to do that is click subscriptions, and we're going to look for that new fancy logo right there. If you guys haven't noticed before, we got the new logo, and that was done by Zorro, not FPV. If you haven't heard of him, check out his channel. I'll put a link to that in there, but Zorro is not retaking a job, and he's going to do freelancing, so he does logos, shirts, so if you need any logo work, he is a professional who's worked professionally for many years, not just some random pilot. He is a professional illustrator, so if you want to check him out, check him out. So that's going to be one of the two pick your owns. So let's go back, and Paul was on our thing there, so let's pick another winner. And the next person we have is, I'm not going to be able to pronounce your name properly, brother, but it's Rob Krieg. He will take the splatter frame. So Rob Krieg is our splatter frame winner. He's getting the splatter frame and some lipos. So that's our splatter frame winner. So the next pick is going to be for our last pick your own. Again, 75, 65mm frame. You pick the color. Well, Paul again. It does not weed out who I've already picked, guys. So sorry, Paul, you don't win twice. That wouldn't be very nice. Alright, so we got Chunky FPV. The lipos are gone with the splatter, my friend, but we will gladly let you pick your own. If you want the splatter, you can get the splatter too. Which, by the way, I did promise I was going to try to get lipos for all you guys, so I'm going to try to get lipos in with your kits, no matter if you won with the lipos or not. So if we go back to our person that wanted the splatter, if you want to just pick your own and not take the splatter, that's up to you. I'll just keep it as a backup in case I crash one of mine. So to be fair, pretty much everybody gets to pick, you know, what frame you want and some of those 1S lipos to go with it. So I'm gonna, if they're still available there, I will get you the 300 mods. So that's what we got, guys. We got Chunky, we got Richard, and we got just remember the last name at this point, Craig. So those are our 3 winners, and I'm going to write those down in below. What you're going to want to do is contact me at pepeprons@thequadcopterreview.com so we can connect. I can verify who you are, and we can start getting these ordered up and shipped to you. So thanks a lot again, everybody, for participating. The current giveaways playlist is going to go blank, but it's only going to go blank for hopefully a day. I'm hoping desperately to get our Black Friday giveaways announced tomorrow, but it's a lot of stuff. So, and I'm going to leave it kind of open-ended, like this is the stuff we know about right now, and whatever else comes along, we'll just draw down the list of stuff for winners. So pay attention to that, just to give you a little bit of an idea. There's going to be the couple newbie drones we've seen in there, the newbie drone packs of stuff from newbie drone, and X-Lite, brand new, and all kinds of little stuff. There's a frame, there's going to be a bind and fly 5-inch, so keep your eyes out. It's definitely going to be worth hanging in there with me, and look for the big Black Friday giveaway. So as always, guys, happy flying, and for those who didn't win, I wish, as you know, I could buy one for everyone, but I can't. So congrats the 3 winners we have, because someday it will be you. Alrighty, gang, thanks.
Hey guys, thanks for stopping by and checking out the Quadcopter review. If you want to see more interesting reviews on FPV related stuff, take a look up here in the old right corner right there. You'll find links to all the rest of my reviews. If you want to get in on some of the best giveaways on YouTube, look over here. Don't forget to subscribe right here on my chin. And if you want to check out my flying only videos separated from the review channel, check that out right here. Thanks for coming. Don't forget to subscribe, and happy flying.